you're not in a hurry. But now what's going to happen is Betty's going to populate a blue banana. So we really don't need all the fancy VNAV stuff. We just need to keep the blue banana this side of SeaTuck. We're 3,000 over SeaTuck, and that's where we're going to be at 3. So 1,000 feet a minute is doing it for us. We control speed, of course, with power. Now let's go to the chart and see what we need vertically after SeaTuck and so forth. So 3,000 to SeaTuck, and then 26 is next to the marker. Your missed approach is straight ahead to 2,800, direct Jogba. And the plan will be to go low approach. So, but we want to be cleared for the option in case we need to land.
Any center meridian 574 Mike Alpha is 2 miles from pave. Okay.
We might have missed the call to switch.
Switch it, tower?
Yeah.
Muncie Tower, meridian 574 Mike Alpha is 1.8 miles from pave on the RNAV 32.
574 Mike Alpha, Muncie runway 32, clear to land. Alpha, runway 32, you're cleared for the low approach. After your low approach, fly runway heading, climb maintain 3,000.
All right, after low approach, climb maintain 3,000. Can you give me a frequency for departure?
Okay, it's runway heading up to 3,000, and the departure frequency is 120.65.
All right, thank you for my call.
Yeah, never not fly. That's, okay. You made yourself very busy there at a very busy time.
Now should I set my 3,000 missed altitude?
Yes. All right. Which way? Straight ahead. How low? DA. What's next? Going to be toga, pitch, and power. Not yet, but when we get there. DA is 1241. Well, let's just call it 1300. This will be a missed approach, even if we get the runway in sight. We have negative ice in the descent, so I'm okay with returning to Lunkin.
I should be at
300 here. Yeah. So now what this 300 pounds of torque does for us is it gives us 120 knots with gear and 1 notch of flaps, and ensures that we have the energy for the go-around as well as slow enough to add additional flaps when we're ready to land. So runway in sight, if we were going to land, we would click off the autopilot with a double tap and then add a 2nd notch of flaps. But lo and behold, in this scenario, 500. We are not seeing the runway. So toga, pitch, and power. Notice positive rates. Yeah. The autopilot in the NXI does not disconnect. That's a very nice, useful thing for the go-around mode.
All right.
Set that power promptly to 1250-ish. Okay. And then lock in the filch and set 130 ice penetration speed. We're runway heading now, so press, 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 press. Yep. Okay. And we're going up to 3. Good.
Tower.
Tower, you're on the mist.
Tower meridian 574 Mike Alpha is on the mist.
Roger. 4 Mike Alpha, contact departure.
Over departure for Mike Alpha.
Nice, very nicely done. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.